MacBook Air.
Is it a new one?
I have no idea.
Did you buy it?
You should know. You're the one doing it.
I think I know, but you know.
Why are you even reading it?
It's 128 gig SSD. Touch ID.
Is it?
13.3.
Is that Touch ID?
8 GB.
So
Boom!
So it's the old
8
one?
GB what?
8 GB SRDR.
SD RAM.
Okay, SD RAM. Okay. Anyway, so this is a MacBook Air that we are going to unbox today. It's fairly simple video that I think it is fairly simple because I have used MacBook for 3 years before. Let's get started.
You have the you have the knob.
Oh, that's smooth.
I have no idea what to do. Isn't that what I say in every video?
Why is it so quiet?
Voila!
Voila!
Ta-da!
Right, so I'll unbox this later. First, let me show you what's in the box. It's USB Type-C. Just as normal, as simple as that.
Show it here also.
This
Is what?
31. Let me
Just
open it.
31?
Let me open it. This one. Oh, they're coming with the paper. I didn't know that.
They're saving the earth, you know.
Which is good. This one is 30 watts USB Type-C power adapter. With this one, I have received USB-C to C, which is great. Type-C. I think it's a hallmark for me now. It's like Type-C. Type-C.
You have to redirect to people those who don't know about Type-C video.
So if you're looking for a Type-C video that I say all the time, check there.
Check their where cards.
Check there on the I button. I
I
button.
button.
I button.
I Vuitton.
Shut up.
Is it Louis Vuitton?
I button. Alright.
That's plastic, right?
It's still plastic, but hey, one nice touch here with the paper. I enjoy that. Kudos to Apple.
Did they send you Apple sticker?
I believe there might be something inside this one, but I'm not gonna open can of worms. I'll put that for whole in the next video.
Okay.
All the Apple. Alright, let's put the box aside. This one is not as trash as I expected it to be, because my sofa is very far away from me now, so I have to be really cautious. It's gonna be fairly simple. Let's check the dependability or openability. Nope.
Lift it.
No.
Nope. Let's see it now. Nope. They failed the one finger bring up test.
Maybe because there's still something inside?
No.
Oh, there's nothing inside.
There is.
There is.
Oh.
But this one does not warrant
Do
it.
it. Do it now.
Oh wait, let me do it now again.
Oh,
See?
At least,
It moved.
at least.
Yeah.
It moved.
It slipped.
It moved.
Open it the other way, like you're actually using it. Now do it.
Alright, Harry. Nope.
And it worked.
Nope. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up this MacBook. I'm just choosing English here, which is pretty simple to use.
How about French? Do you speak French, sir?
Yeah, you're learning French.
I'm speaking Punjabi too, okay? Me? Punjabi very much good. Alright, so I'll just simply choose Canada since we're in Canada. Surprise, surprise.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use
assist voiceover off.
Oh my god.
Alright, it's off. Now I'm going to log into the Wi-Fi here.
Modern problems need modern solutions.
2 hours later. Alright, next. Don't transfer any information. So I would not finish this point because this is not my MacBook.
Is
It's,
this again not for you?
It's not for you.
Why do
again.
you open others' products? For God's sake, buy your own.
Hey, this is second thing that I know it would not be for me. First,
The camera wasn't yours.
the camera wasn't mine. That was Amrit's.
How about the S20?
That was Harpreet's.
Okay. How about the...
Mouse.
Mouse will be in the next video.
It's still not
But
yours.
that is not mine either.
How about this one?
This one is Gagan's.
Okay, do you have money to buy anything for yourself?
Hey, why do you think I'm making YouTube video?
Hey man, you're not making it for money, you're just making it for entertainment.
Hey,
Hashtag quarantine content.
hey, yeah. Like and subscribe. Quarantine content. So I'll finish off here. I'll be back with you in a trash review.
No
Wait,
one's gonna
do we have trash reviews?
No.
No one's gonna
Who does
watch
that? Who does that? See ya!